Been calling me.
The number you have dialed has been changed.
Alright, welcome to my salon. Pick a color. Yeah, manicure. Yeah, manicure. How can I help you? How can I help you? You want a manicure? Let's see your nails. This is about $5,000. It's $5,000 for the nails them. To clip them and buff them.
I want fingernail and clip still.
But I go buff the rest of them, even them out nice and properly. Come on, go for ya. Come, sir. Hold the fingernail. Hold the camera for me, please.
Can we just talk about where we're going before we get lost? Let me out first. Can get what we want without knowing. Never felt like this before. Apologize if I'm moving too far. Can't we just talk? Can we just talk? Thinking how where we're going. Yeah.
So guys, so I'm here, right, watching TikTok. And you know those TikToks that be like, you know those TikTok that's like to trick your partner or whatever. Let me find it.
Yo. Yeah, I'm just calling to see how the breakup went. You single now, right? He still ain't at the crib, it.
So she saw like me, I tried trick. It was so funny. I didn't keep on about yo. You look do okay, you pay attention.
No, because I know Sammy I try catch. Right, we wait this hour. Yo.
I think it was like, you single now, right? And I was like, yeah. Sweet Sammy, I tried. I really thought I was gonna get him. It was so funny in the moment. Y'all had to be there. So if it's not funny now, I promise you, I've been cracking up. And let me tell you, sweet, yo.
Yeah, boy. Yo, man.
What would I do? If something goes to do?
I don't know. Probably tough you up, then we see when my reaction goes there.
Oh, please. You want to be so cool.
Yo. Yo,
Anyway, guys, we just been on something. I forgot my bed early because we have work tomorrow. Tomorrow's Tuesday. Anyway, today's the last day of the lockdown. Tomorrow's Tuesday, so curfew gone back to 8 o'clock. So we aren't as confined to the house anymore. All right, I'm going back to TikTok now because that was funny. Guys, you might play PUBG.
Yo, I know PUBG, boy.
Nah, PUBG I play at night.
Hold it. Yo, what's up on my face? I'm telling you what old people selfie there.
Good night, guys.
Good night, guys.
Alright, cause Sweet's not you. No. Look, attention, cause I play PUBG. So we'll catch you tomorrow. I have work in the morning, so me go to bed.
How would I go now? When day?
This is what I have to deal with, y'all.
When day?
If your boyfriend play PUBG, y'all know my sentiment.
Yo, try showing him.
Y'all know how I feel. But I'm about to keep watching TikTok. We're supposed to go drink some pina colada and strawberry daiquiri tonight, but I don't think that's happening because I'm going to sleep. So, good night, y'all, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow. I know these vlogs are probably all over the place, and I apologize, but it ain't really much happening. And these lockdowns just have us locked away in the house and doing nothing, so that's what we just did, I do. Anyway, see y'all tomorrow. Bye. Good night. Babe, so you're gonna make pina colada and could make honey for me?
Serious?
Eh? You're really gonna make pina colada and you say baby want tasty? Baby want some? Show your cup. What time is it? What time is it? Let's figure out what time is it right now. Matter of fact, it is 11:52. I don't feel I got out of bed. I tell them something I got my bed like 30 minutes ago. Shall we wake up now, sir?
I'm tell you, I'm going to taste on the sourdough.
Eh?
I'm going to give some for this on the sourdough.
I did go for tasty and by the time I go for tasty I take you up. I don't know.
You know what they're saying?
Let me see a cup. I could see a cup.
Cheers.
But cup the full up I say, you know. I need to put in cup. You know me have to drink people water.
Roman bag juice. Capital bag juice.
I have to make my own Roman bag juice. I say this there? Anyway guys, next on the agenda is some Ludo. So we're about to kill. This has become our nightly routine. We'll go up on Ludo and kill some people. So since I'm put the phone away, I play pan a bit big. Well, I bet 50,000 or 10,000 so do you? I'm going to bet 10 because I don't want to rank up.
Which them? No, 10,000.
Let me I done create it already. Alright, just saying to you. Waiting on you, bro.
I'm trying to get the fuck.
I'm trying. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're gonna play a Ludo. Like I said, this is our nightly routine. My sweets play and kill them off. And just you make move up. Alright guys, bye. Please fix Portland Road, people. Our sweets still don't look a bit moosey. I feel like I'm gonna check in a couple days. I feel like I have not checked in forever. I feel like the last time we checked in, when did I lock down? Last week one day? I think maybe Sunday or Saturday. Today is Thursday. Lockdown again start tomorrow. So we're running to the grocery store to stock up again. I'm gonna fix the road and boy, the road bad. But at least Portland, well this side of Portland I gotta get some good road cause God knows we need it. Hey guys, so we did grocery shopping. It was like a miserable experience, so I didn't feel like vlogging, honestly, sorry. Stayed within my budget, so that's good. And yeah, I feel like I didn't know what to pick up really, but yeah, we got some stuff, so we should be good for the weekend. I got a patty at Juicy Beef. It's a cheese patty. I love Juicy Beef patty. In my opinion, Juicy Beef have the best patty. Don't argue with me. It's hot, so I'm trying not to burn my tongue. My cousin asked me to stop at KFC for her, but the line is long. Sweets went upstairs to do something, so I'm waiting on him right now too. And I'm also watching the KFC line, which is long. Don't feel like standing in line, so yeah, mine is all the way over where you see Coronation Bakery. I'm not going out there to stand in that. It's kind of hot outside, so yeah, that's what's going on. Not much. The place kind of boring. I know these Jamaica vlogs probably boring a little bit, but honestly, not keep, not one. So yeah, I'll be back.